If you're a parent or a caregiver with a child between the ages of 2 to 12, this program is for you. Brene Brown said, like many of you, parenting is by far my boldest and most daring adventure. Children don't come with directions. And despite all the tools we may have, it is always great to add to our box, which is why this program has been described as so helpful and useful for every parent. In this program, we talk about the dreams you have for your child. We talk about what discipline really is and why it is important. Everyone learns about parenting in different ways and develops their own style, and we discuss what strategies best support your child as they develop the qualities you hope them to have. Staying in the right parenting zone can be challenging, so we'll discuss strategies that help you return more easily when you get out of it. This program is full of tools, including approaches to help your child know what it is that you want them to do instead of what it is you don't want them to do, so you feel your words are taken seriously. Learning to understand why our children behave the way they do is key to helping children learn the lessons you hope to teach, which also includes understanding how the brain works when children act in certain ways. This program is packed with resources and tools, including setting effective limits and so much more. Visit www.cceorangecounty.org to register.